Got him. They're right there. Gotta hang on with one foot. I got him! Wow. That is so cool. I got his little face. That is so funny. Where'd they go? Oh, there he is. He's up front. He's ahead of the boat. He keeps going to the front of the boat. There he is. Oh, he's right underneath us. They're right there. Man, that is so wild how close they're getting. Oh, goodness. Oh my God, they're right there. They're right underneath. They're right there. Oh my God. That's so cool. They're going back and forth underneath the nose. I think that they see the camera and they keep going the other side. Nope, I don't know where they went now. Are they behind us? I lost them. Seems like they dropped back beside us when they, got them. Yeah, they fall back over there. I just want to get their little faces. They're so cute. I think they're falling back to look at us.
Feeling bad how slow we're going.
Maybe they want to pull us. Huh? There he is. I can see them underwater now pretty well. Huh? Yep. Got him. Yeah, he's right there. I think he's going to come up again. I don't know. Oh. I missed him. They're going to swim together. Oh, there they are. They're right back under the bow again. Yeah, I'm getting them right underneath us. Wow, that is so cool. They are huge dolphins. Holy crap, they're huge. Alright, lost them again. Oh, there they are. Hard to keep track of. They're hanging out over there now. Water's super clear right here. We're about to start to head into some less clear water. I lost him. Can you see him anywhere? Alright. Shut this off. See if I can see him one more time. And get out to off the coast here. They're over there?
Yeah.
Are they behind us? Oh, okay. Well, I'm just trying trying to get the horizon here and get that island out there. Oh, there they are. Hello. He just broke right in front. I got this guy. This thing may be too far off the bow. He seems happy with the bow. They're so cute. They're looking right at us. God, they're stinking cute. Yeah, I just can't spin around too much up here. I don't want to lose him. And me over the front, you know? He's so cute. Alright, I think I'm going to shut it down. Coming about.